Hello everyone, this is Pablo again with crafties915.com. And have you ever wondered how you make weeding easier, especially in colder weather? For those of you like myself who are working out of a garage and you don't have adequate heating or cooling, trying to weed a heat transfer vinyl during the winter months, during the cold months, it becomes a little bit difficult because that material gets real cold. Well, I'm going to show you a trick on how to do that very easily, just using your heat press and warming up that heat transfer vinyl before you even weed it. So if you want to learn that, stick around. Okay, so here I have my vinyl that I'm going to weed, and this is at room temperature, which is about 58 to 60 degrees. So the cooler weather, the cooler room temperature makes weeding a little bit harder. I mean, I can feel some pull on the material, but with my heat press at full operating temperature, you can preheat your lower platen for a few seconds. And here I'm doing it for a full 15-second cycle, which is the time that I use to press HTV. And now I place my heat transfer vinyl that I'm going to weed on the warm platen, and it makes weeding a lot easier, and it weeds like butter. So there you go. Heating your bottom platen for a few seconds at full operating temperature will make your weeding a lot easier in colder weather. So I hope you learned something. I hope this trick has taught you something to make your workflow a little bit faster. And thank you very much for subscribing, for watching, and happy crafting.